Welcome to CreCoder YouTube channel. We finally starting with a series on Python. Why Python? Because it is the fastest growing language. If we talk about machine learning, GUI, software development and web development, you can use it everywhere. So, the Python is also called general purpose language. What is Python? Python is a programming language, not only that it is also interpreter, object-oriented and high-level language. Why Python is famous? We have C, C++, Java and more, but why? The Python is so famous, because Python is only easiest language available in the market. Which companies are using Python? So many companies from bottom to top like Google, YouTube, Yahoo, NASA etc. uses Python as a main language, or as a supporting language. When was Python introduced? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released on February 20, 1991. Python is easy to learn. You don't need any technical background or programming skills to learn Python. Don't worry, I will explain each and every point in Python, so make use of it. This is the video for today. Subscribe our channel and happy learning. See you in the next video.